Now students, we will study order of magnitude. What is order of magnitude? When a number is rounded off to the nearest power of 10, then power of 10 is called order of magnitude. A number rounded off to the nearest power of 10 is called order of magnitude. When number is less than root 10, means the number is less than 3.16, then order of magnitude is power of 10. Example is 1.5 10 to power 11 meter. So 1.5 is less than 3.16. So order of magnitude is 10 to the power 11 meter. This is the order of magnitude. Same. When number is less than 3.6, 1.5 is less than 3.6. So power of 10 is order of magnitude. So power of 10 is. And when number is greater than 3.16, 9.46 is greater. So here number 9.46 is greater than. So we will add 1. Then order of magnitude is powers plus 10 of powers plus 1 of 10. जो 10 की पावर उसमें प्लस 1. So order of magnitude will be 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Here power is 15 but 9.46 is greater than 3.16. Our next topic is rounding of measurements. When we take some measurements up to high resolution after many digits of decimal, then we need to round off it. If digit to be dropped is less than 5, then preceding means उससे पहले वाली digit remains unchanged. Example is 8.64. So 4 is less than 5. Digit to be dropped is 4 and it is less than 5. So preceding remains unchanged. So 6 remain unchanged, 8.6. And if digit to be dropped greater than 5, then preceding is raised by 1, 8.66. So this is dropped, and it is greater than 5. So preceding is raised by 1. इसको एक बढ़ा देंगे 8.7. It will be 8.7. It will be raised by 1. If digit to be dropped is neither less than 5 nor greater than 5, it is exact 5, then preceding will be raised by 1 if it is odd and unchanged if even. For example, 8.675, we will round off 5, and the preceding is odd, so will increase by 1, it will become 8.68, and if it is even will remain unchanged, 8.66. This is the rounding off. If greater than, preceding will raise by 1, less than, remains unchanged. If 5, then we will see the preceding is odd or even. Odd unchanged, odd is raised by 1 and even unchanged. What are accuracy and precision? The two terms always disturb to the students. These are the accuracy and precision. What is accuracy and precision? The closeness of measure value to the true value. जो measurement लिया है वो true value के कितना close है, that is called accuracy. And if we take a measurement or resolution is done by many more digit after decimal, then it is called more precise. Suppose the true value is 4.526 centimeter. Yes, and the first student or first instrument or student take a measurement 4.358 up 3 digit after decimal, and here only 1 digit, but 4.4 is close to the true value, so it is more accurate. More accuracy are here, and it is resolved up to large, so it is more precise. Now we will study least count. What is the meaning of least count? the minimum measurement or the smallest measurement, minimum or say smallest, the smallest measurement taken by an instrument is called its least count. For example, our wristwatch can read 1 second, so its least count is 1 second. Similarly, meter scale 1 mm. Next is significant figure. What are significant figures? If we have a number, then there are some certain number or certain digits which explain to the measurement accurately. So these certain digits in a number that are known with certainty, plus one digit who is not certain, uncertain digit, or we can say the doubtful digit also, called significant figure. How can we use? For example, there is no effect of power. No effect of power, only 1, 2, 3, three significant figures. If 0 are between two non-zero, they are counted. If 0 are between two non-zero, then they are counted as significant figure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, four significant figure. And similarly here, no effect of decimal, 5 significant figure. And if there is no number, no digit before decimal, it is 0 only, then we will leave out the zeros just after the decimal, but the last one is counted as significant figure, so it will count it 1, 2, 3, three significant figure. How we will use the significant figure in addition, in subtraction, in multiplication and division. In addition and in subtraction, the method is same. The same number of digit right side to the decimal are taken or retained. For example, 52.8, after decimal here are 1 digit, after decimal here are 2 digit. So we will keep in our answer or in our result only 1 digit after decimal. The addition is this, but after decimal we should have to retain only 1. So after rounding off 5, when we will round off to 5, it will become 2. So answer is 99.2. In multiplication and division, we retain least significant figure in our result. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. Here are 3 significant figures. So we will retain only 3 significant figure. So we retain least significant figure in result, equal to the least number of significant figure. Least significant figure in any numbers. Here are 2 numbers and least are in this. So in our result there should be only 3. So we will, when we round off 4, it will become 8, and we will round off to 8, it will become 8 again, and when we will round off to this 8, then it will become 7. So answer is 8.47.